Now let us see the operators required for the flakiness index of the aggregate. Number 1, thickness gauge. This is as per IS 2336 part 1 of 1977. Balance, and the IS is same as that of the elongation index. Now let us see the procedure of determination of flakiness index of aggregates. A fraction of aggregate sample passes through the 20 mm sieve and retained on 16 mm sieve is taken. 200 pieces of such aggregate is selected from the sample of aggregate taken. The slot on the thickness gauge corresponding to this fraction of aggregate is selected. Now the material is tested whether the fraction of aggregate passes through the slot or not. The material is collected in 2 heaps now. One heap contains the material which passes through the slot. Another heap contains the material which does not pass through the slot. Weight of each part is weighed separately. This process is completed for other fractions of aggregate by choosing corresponding slot from the thickness gauge. The sum of portions of all fractions in each pieces passes through the corresponding slots, and the total weight of all fractions is to be calculated. The flakiness index may be reported as total weight of fraction which passes through the corresponding slot to the total weight of the sample taken into 100. Recommendations. Flakiness index value for concrete works should be less than 35%. For pavement construction, flakiness index value should be less than 15%. For BDSD, this value should be less than 25%. For crushed aggregates, flakiness index and elongation index collectively must be less than 30%.